Picture this, you're in the cinema, the lights dim down, and the Marvel intro begins to roll. You're about to dive into the Avengers world. A world where the multiverse isn't just a concept, but a reality. Now let's delve into this idea a bit more. In the Marvel universe, the multiverse is an integral part of the narrative, weaving its way through countless storylines. It's a fascinating concept, the notion of multiple realities coexisting, each with its own unique timeline. It's as if every decision, every action creates a ripple, leading to a different outcome, a different universe. Remember when Doctor Strange viewed over 14 million potential outcomes to figure out how to defeat Thanos? Or when the Avengers time traveled, causing a divergence in the timeline, thus creating new realities? These scenarios are all based on the multiverse theory. So if the Avengers can traverse different realities, could we do the same? Is the multiverse real? As mind-boggling as it might seem, several theories in physics actually support the existence of a multiverse. Let's dive deep into the realm of theoretical physics, where reality can often appear stranger than fiction. Here we encounter some of the most compelling theories supporting the concept of the multiverse. First, let's talk about quantum mechanics. This branch of physics has been shaking up our understanding of the universe since the early 20th century. It suggests that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, only settling into a single state once observed. But what happens to all the other potential states? This is where the many worlds interpretation comes into play. The many worlds interpretation proposes that for each potential state a particle could have, there is a separate universe where that potential state becomes reality. So every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into different universes. Imagine for every decision you've made, there's a universe out there where you made a different choice. Then there's the concept of infinite universes in cosmology. This theory is born out of the idea that if the universe is infinite, then it must contain infinite possibilities. In this infinite cosmic landscape, it's plausible that there are regions so distant from us that they could be considered separate universes altogether. But what does all this mean? Well, in the simplest terms, these theories suggest that our universe may not be the only game in town. There could be a vast multitude of universes, each with its own laws of physics, its own history, and perhaps its own form of life. In conclusion, the multiverse is not just a fantastical idea conjured up by comic book writers and Hollywood scriptwriters. It's a concept that is deeply rooted in our understanding of the physical world. It challenges us to reconsider our place in the grand scheme of things. These theories, while complex, offer tantalizing hints that our universe might just be one among many. Scene script. Imagine the possibilities if the multiverse were real. Could there be a universe where you're a superhero or perhaps an alien life form? Dive into this idea for a moment. Imagine a reality where the laws of physics are completely different, where gravity pulls us upwards instead of downwards, or where time flows backwards. Imagine a world where dinosaurs were not wiped out and they evolved into the dominant species, developing advanced technology and building cities. Or perhaps a universe where the evolutionary path led to an Earth populated by intelligent octopuses rather than humans. Now let's take this a step further. Imagine a universe where you are not just a mere mortal, but a superhero, capable of leaping tall buildings in a single bound or shooting webs from your fingertips. In this universe, you're not sitting on your couch watching videos about the multiverse, you're out there, saving the world one crisis at a time. But what about aliens? If the multiverse theory holds true, then it's not a stretch to imagine universes where alien life forms exist. In some, they might be technologically advanced, zipping around the cosmos in their sleek spacecraft, while in others, they could be simple, single-celled organisms just starting their evolutionary journey. And here's the kicker. What if there are versions of you in these other universes, alternate versions of yourself living entirely different lives? Maybe in one you're a renowned scientist who unlocked the secrets of the multiverse. In another you might be a famous musician, your songs echoing across the galaxies. These are thrilling possibilities to consider, aren't they? But as much as we'd love to believe in a universe where we're swinging through skyscrapers as Spider-Man, we're still far from proving the existence of the multiverse. It's a tantalizing concept, one that sparks our curiosity and fuels our imagination. But as exciting as these possibilities are, we're still far from proving the existence of the multiverse. So what do you think? Is the multiverse a reality or just a figment of our imaginations? So let's continue this conversation. Share your thoughts, theories, and ideas in the comment section. And remember, like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing content.